everyone, what is up? This is Latika and welcome to another video. This week's shout out goes to Vanchika. Thank you so much for a lovely comment this week. If you're watching me on all the social media platforms, here are all the links. Alright, welcome to this week's Fashion Friday video. For today's video, I am doing a Myntra hidden gems haul plus review plus finds. So basically, I browsed through Myntra a lot and decided to find like smaller brands which sell on there, which are doing a good job at just, identifying products and building a brand. On YouTube, so many of us are doing these Ajio hauls, Myntra hauls, but behind like all of the products there are these small sellers, mostly now Indian sellers, who I think we should start incorporating behind the big brand name of Myntra and Ajio. Now I will also start to mention from which exact seller it is. So we're gonna start with this video. I have some 7-8 good brands which I found who are doing an amazing job in their own segment, and I've kept like a variety. A particular brand is doing good in Indian wear, a particular brand is doing good in college, party wear, so something like that. You'll get to see that as we go along with this video. And drop a like if you like this video and make sure you subscribe so that you're notified whenever I upload like any content in the future. The first brand I came across is Wowzers. I'm not exactly sure how to pronounce this, but they had lots of really nice statement tops, dresses, lots of ruffling, detailing, power blouses, which are going on around a lot. Overall, the products from this brand are very structured, yet they have like the softness, and I just liked the range that they had to offer. So what I ended up picking up is one of my favorite pieces in this entire video. Now of course I was able to shop just one piece from each brand, so it may or may not be an accurate representation of the entire collection. Okay, this is what it looks like. So it's a nice solid black dress and it has like a Chinese collar and this zipper going down throughout. This basically opens up pura, so you can even wear it as a coat in fact, and then you can adjust the neckline accordingly. Like either you can have it pura closed or you can bring it down a little. And then apart from the gold zipper, you have all of these button detailings all over. So you have it on the front, you also have it on the cuffs, which is really interesting. And honestly, I am so happy with this product. Just as in the picture, all of the products are very structured, well fitted. It fit me really well. Most importantly, the quality of everything, right from the metal detailings to the stitching to the fabric, everything seems perfect. The zipper is very sturdy, and overall it just looks really classy. I have a really nice picture in this which I'm also going to insert here, and overall I'm super happy, and it for sure justifies the price point according to me. Okay, let's move on. I am super excited. This is actually I think my top favorite product, and I thought end mein dikhati hu. Usually I show my favorite product at the end, but I'm very excited. So maybe a lot of you have heard about this brand. It's the brand Tikhi Imli, and it basically showcases bunch of sarees. The collection is very simple, very budget friendly. Between 1000 2000 you'll find tons of options, but yet in that price point they have tried to keep it a little bit different, tried to keep something for everyone. Some embellished sarees, some ruffled sarees which were in trend a lot. What I ended up picking up is an organza saree. These are so much in trend. Organza is everywhere at the moment and it just looks so beautiful. But when something is trendy, it can tend to be overpriced. So I was just waiting for the moment to find this saree at a nice price point, and I found it here at around rupees 1000, which is pretty good. So it's gonna be a pain to open this, but this is what it looks like. So it's an all over white and has paints of pink, some flower detailing, yellow, oranges, and yeah, overall it is stunning. I think let me open it up a little bit more. Really nice, and everything seems fine. The cloth seems perfectly fine. I mean, I'm so excited to try this on, and I will be doing a look with this super duper soon. In the same price, they also sent the blouse ka kapda, which is pretty good. So this is what the cloth looks like. It's not the best. It is like a little bit harsh, and you will have to obviously have a lining underneath and everything, but whatever. In this price point, like I don't think I could have expected anything more. The fact that there's a blouse kapda in this also is pretty good. And with this, I am super intrigued with the brand. Now since we are in the topic of sarees, I think let me just finish this off. I needed a stitch blouse urgently, and I wasn't very happy with the saree ka cloth that came. So I was exploring blouses on Myntra and I came across this brand Salwar Studio. They have mainly blouses and a few menswear pieces, but overall such a great variety, such diverse colors, such different styles. No matter what you're looking for, you'll find something there. Now it's slightly above, I would say, the affordable price point, but if the quality is good, then the price point of them is totally justified. So what I finally bought to go with the organza sari was a pink blouse. So this is what I ordered, a simple pink sleeveless blouse with a little gold embellishments, and this is what it looks like. It's pretty cute, honestly, very well made. It is padded, and this is what the back looks like. You also have a really nice dori with pink tassels, and overall it's great quality. Surprisingly, it fit me perfectly well. It's nicely lined from the inside. Like, I have no complaints with this whatsoever. Okay, let's move on to this brand that I came across called Diba Walk Exclusive. I think they are stitching a lot of their clothes like aisa lag raha hai. So now they deal in tons of tops, dresses, very everyday casual tops, some jumpsuits, your really nice just everyday cotton based products, but still really pretty, really nice prints going on with this brand, and they're offering matching masks with a lot of their products. So let me first show you what I picked up. This is the top that I got. Again, I have a really nice picture in this one which I'm going to insert. This is what it looks like. It's basically a square and slightly sweetheart neckline, I want to say, but overall पूरे इस पे ये ruching effect है, and even side पे you have this ruching effect which looks really nice. I just think that a size up in this would be good. This was a little tight to me, and the sleeves are really nice, really puffed up, and in the same fabric the matching mask came with it. Now I'm very happy with it. The fabric used is really nice, really breathable, good for the summers, and overall just on that page you have really nice good options for summers. Now let's just come to one thing, the price point. When I got this for around 800. And abhi maine dekha the price is 2600, so I must have bought it on sale. Even on the tag it says 2600, which I think is a little steep. Their products on sale, I think I would 100% recommend with like a little bit discounted price, but the MRP of them is a little steep. Okay, moving on, this brand, again not sure how to pronounce this, Sassafras. Now they have lots of your basics, very decently priced, and in between some jeggings, some maxi dresses, joggers in really nice easy breezy floral prints. Now I found them because I wanted to pick up a basic, so I was searching for a good quality white top, like a long sleeved well fitted top. This is a little bit for spring, summers में हो सकता है इसमें थोड़ा सा गर्मी लगे. It has this ruffle detailing on the collar as well as on the cuffs, and because this is white, it is a little bit transparent. I think बाकी colors में उतना issue नहीं होना चाहिए इस brand में, but in white it is a little bit transparent. But my purpose was solved. I needed basics which I was able to easily find on this brand at great prices. Next, again, I was on the hunt for a nice pair of trousers, not in super expensive premium workwear category, but thoda affordable, thoda for also like an everyday basis, and I came across the brand Marie Claire. Now I think this is a pretty old brand, and I think they primarily do workwear and also related lots of accessories, watches. So the trouser that I got is this one. I'm into lots of tan brown trousers, pants. यहाँ पे एक patchwork detailing है on the pocket. You have waist पे this ruffleish detailing. It also comes with a belt. So this is the belt. It's the same cloth fabric belt. Overall with white highlights. Now iska quality for the price point I think is justified. If you're looking for something in a work environment which looks really premium quality, then this is not that, but on an everyday basis, nice pair of chilled out comfortable trousers. They were super comfortable to me. Then I think this is a good option, and overall, yeah, I think the brand is again doing a good job. Now this wraps up clothing. Let's go to jewelry. Myntra से I don't know why, like since again because I haven't been street shopping in such a long time, मेरे को ये सारी jewelry ऐसे online ही लेनी पड़ रही है. And what I've picked up is a selection of great statement earrings. So let's go through them one by one. The first one is from the very famous Jewels Galaxy. They're doing incredibly well according to me, offering really nice products and a huge variety. These are what I picked up from them. Really nice waterfall earrings, and में छोटा सा ऐसे stud detailing है, and even on the ear like you have this gold nice rectangle super stunning, super nice, and abhi tak whatever I've bought from Jewels Galaxy is in a good condition and it is well priced. Only thing I would suggest with Jewels Galaxy is that checking their price across platforms. They are there on Nykaa Fashion, Amazon, but usually वो prices उसमें change कर देते हैं according to the website. The next brand is Pipa Bella. I have done an entire dedicated video with them. They are a premium jewelry brand, but their quality is top notch. उसके साथ जो मैंने local market से jewelry ली थी, that is completely faded, but the jewelry from Pipa Bella is still absolutely brilliant and they are charging the price accordingly. So I found these pearl earrings. Picture में they look a little bit different now. I don't know whether they have updated the picture बाद में. When I bought it, it's been like a month or so. तो या तो उन्होंने पिक्चर अपडेट किया है या फिर मुझे गलत प्रोडक्ट भेजा है. इट्स नॉट एक्जैक्टली मैचिंग द पिक्चर, बट नॉनदलेस आई एम वेरी हैप्पी विद दिस. पर्ल डिटेलिंग ऑल ओवर एंड थोड़ा सा कर्व्ड है. रियली नाइस मटेरियल, रियली स्टर्डी, लुक सुपर नाइस एंड रियली क्यूट. लाइक अगेन अ ग्रेट फॉर्मल वेयर ऑप्शन as well as like great with dresses. And the last brand that I found is Dressberry. Now इनका primary is not jewelry, but I found some great jewelry options from them. The first one is this silver one. So it's a really nice silver flower and मतलब इतनी detailings है इसमें. The shape is bent at places, so it's giving a really nice, you know, curved texture all over. It's not कि flat बस flower है. It has lots of character to it. Super sturdy, super comfortable to wear, very lightweight, and overall I am very happy with these. And the next pair, again a really good option. So this is what it looks like. It basically looks like a chains interlinked and यहाँ पे ऊपर एक gold embellishment है. Longer earrings are suiting me really well. I think because I'm short, but I'm really into just now drop long earrings. So super happy with these ones. अभी तक it's been a month and the color of this does look fine. In case there's any update, then you can ask me in the comment section. I wore these with a black dress if you noticed. And that brings me to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know how you like this idea. I just wanted to add like a new twist on these Myntra hauls. Just give more recognition to the seller behind them and the smaller brand behind this huge company. So let me know how you liked it. Drop down below your favorite product or your favorite brand. Which brand suits your style the most? And as usual, any other ideas, suggestions, questions that you may have, please also drop them down in the comments box. And I shall see you very soon with a special Sunday video. Like I had this huge hesitation of and so if you're looking to buy blouses on Myntra, I would highly suggest.